Hi guys, CAT form now sample paper is out. So with this there are 12 instructions given to you. So I want you to note down all these instructions because they are very important for us to note. Yeah, for example, do you know that unless you press the save and next button, your answer will not be saved. You have to press save and next button on every question. Suppose you navigate, you went to question number 25, then you went to question number 21, your answer will not be saved. You have to press the next button. The location of the calculator, location of the timer, all these things we'll talk about. Everything is given in their instruction set. So all these instructions you will be seeing before the start of the paper, and they'll give you 5 to 10 minutes ka time before the paper start to read all the instructions. But at that time, I don't want you to waste that much time. So let's go through all the instructions. So once you log in into the sample paper, you will find out all these instructions. So once you log in, 11111 is the ID, same password, and the moment you sign in, you can see the complete paper. So we'll go through all the instructions which are there on the CAT exam. So number one, the number of questions remains same as last year. So 34 questions, 32 questions, 34 questions. On the exam day, actually, we don't know how many questions are going to be there. So number of questions we don't know. But the timer, they have confirmed that total time duration is going to be 120 minutes. 40 minutes total is 120 minutes. That is instruction number 1 which is given. And for the PWD candidate, they will get 13 minutes and 20 seconds per section extra in the time frame. So that's the instruction number 1 which is given on their site the moment you start the paper. Instruction number 2 is all the 3 slots are divided into 40 minutes ka 3 slots. So 120 minutes is divided into 120 minutes. In the sample paper, you can switch between the sections. You can go to the next section before the timer. But in the actual paper, I think you have to spend 40 minutes per section. The clock will be displayed on the top right corner. You will get the clock. So we can see here, the clock is here on the top right corner. On the completion of the 40 minutes, that the clock will stop. In the particular section, will get logged. Response will be auto-submitted. You will be then need to move to the next section and start the next. So you have to press next ka button and go to the next section. On submission of all the 3 sections, you will get the summary of the complete paper. So like this, you will get the summary of the complete paper. This is not the last year, this year ka paper, because officially they have said you cannot disclose the paper pattern also, the sample paper also, you cannot talk about that as per the actual news. And for the PWD students, they will get per section 53 minutes 20 seconds extra total. Yeah, for them paper is 160 minutes. For general category student, for the other students, it's 120 minutes, and for the PWD category 160 minutes. You will be allowed to, the pointer number 3, you will be allowed to leave the center only after completion of 120 minutes. You cannot leave the center before time, in between. Pointer number 4, the question will be in the MCQ format and the non-MCQ format. Okay, all the type of questions are there. Your timer will get synced to the server clock. Clock down will start on the right top corner. You will be display the remaining time to the completion. Yeah, so we can see here remaining time for completion. We can see it here of the currently active section. That's okay. The timer reaches 0. The test of the PWD automatically get end. All right. For the rough work, you're allowed to use a writing pad. So last 2 years they are giving this thing. They're giving you a small pad which is half of the size of A4 paper. So A5 size. A3 to A5 hota yaar. Please check. Please note, you'll be getting only one pad. You will not get the multiple pad. You will get only one pad. You have to write your name and the registration number on top of that, and return the writing pad with all the pages after the completion of the test. You will not be allowed to use any calculator and other computing devices. An online computer is given to you. Online calculator is provided. You can use that for computing. Most probably you are not going to use any calculator. You don't need any calculator in the CAT exam, but otherwise there will be an online calculator which will be given here somewhere on the top. You can click on that and the timer will, and you can see the calculator and do the computing work. Pointer number 7. Pointer number 8. The question palette displayed. So okay, this is a mark for review. All the instructions is given. So on the side you can see the panel where all the details will be given to you. The legend kind of thing. So question which is answered, marked, not answered, not received. Those were given the marks. You'll be able to understand all these things. I'm talking about all the instructions which are given here. And all the instructions you should know before you go for the exam. Now we can't see this here. In pointer number 9, they are saying that there is a arrow ka button. If you press that arrow, you can collapse the window. You can collapse the question palette can be collapsed into small size. For example, in case the the diagram is too big and you need to collapse that, you can press that button and this will collapse, and then you can come out again as well. Okay. Alright, point number 10 is very important. You have to click save and next ka button to save your option. This is very, very important. Save and next ka button have to be pressed, without which your answer will not be saved. So after every question, because a lot of time what we do, suppose I am left with question number 25, 27, 28. If I click on 25, mark the answer, click on 27, mark the answer, click on 28, mark the answer, your answer not being saved. You have to press save and next ka button so that your answer gets saved. Okay. You can also clear the response. Point number 11, you can use clear response in case you want to change your option, and then again press the save and next ka button. Next pointer is about the sections. Point number 12 is that there are 3 sections, that's fine. And you cannot switch between the section. You have to spend 40 minutes on each section. Then you move to the next one. Okay. From any section, you will be able to move to the next section only after the completion of the 40 minutes. So in the CAT paper, they normally give you 10 minutes ka time to read through all these things, but at that time we are so nervous and I don't want you to waste too much time on reading that part, because I want you to focus on the exam day. Okay. Alright, so these are all the instructions which are given to you. So please take care of all the instructions and all the best for the exam.